Applying to Ivy League colleges in the United States as an international student can be a challenging and competitive process. The Ivy League universities, consisting of Brown University, Columbia University, Cornell University, Dartmouth College, Harvard University, the University of Pennsylvania, Princeton University, and Yale University, are renowned for their academic excellence, prestigious reputation, and rigorous admissions standards. Thousands of highly qualified students from around the world aspire to secure a spot in these elite institutions, making the competition fierce. As an international student, you face additional challenges compared to domestic applicants. Navigating the complex application process, understanding the unique requirements, and meeting the expectations of Ivy League colleges demand meticulous planning, determination, and a well-rounded approach. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with valuable tips and advice to increase your chances of acceptance to an Ivy League college as an international student. Start early and do your research. Beginning the application process early is crucial for international students due to additional steps such as obtaining a student visa and meeting English proficiency requirements. Researching each Ivy League college's specific admission criteria, application deadlines, and available programs will help you identify the best fit for your academic and personal aspirations. Consider factors like location, campus culture, available resources, and academic opportunities when selecting colleges to apply to. Engage with the college's websites, connect with alumni or current students, attend virtual college fairs or information sessions, and seek guidance from high school counselors or independent college consultants. Gathering insights from multiple sources will provide a comprehensive understanding of what each Ivy League institution has to offer. Take challenging courses and get good grades. Ivy League colleges are renowned for their academic rigor, and they seek students who can thrive in challenging environments. Take the most challenging courses available at your high school and pursue subjects that genuinely interest you. A strong academic record, including high grades and rigorous coursework, will demonstrate your intellectual curiosity and preparedness for the demanding academic environment of an Ivy League institution. Prepare for standardized tests. Standardized tests play a significant role in the admissions process for Ivy League colleges. Most schools require either the SAT or ACT, and international students often need to submit the test of English as a foreign language, TOEFL, or International English Language Testing System, IELTS scores to demonstrate English proficiency. Start your test preparation early by familiarizing yourself with the test formats and content. Take practice tests regularly to identify your strengths and weaknesses, and consider enrolling in a test preparation course or working with a tutor if necessary. Some students may benefit from focusing on either the SAT or ACT, depending on their individual strengths and the requirements of the colleges they are applying to. Write strong essays. The personal essay is your opportunity to showcase your personality, experiences, and values. Use it to share a unique story or perspective that reflects who you are beyond your academic achievements. Be authentic, honest, and introspective in your writing. Admissions officers appreciate students who can articulate their thoughts effectively and convey a genuine passion for learning and personal growth. Start the essay writing process early, allowing time for multiple drafts and revisions. Seek feedback from teachers, counselors, or mentors who know you well and can provide constructive criticism. Their insights can help you refine your essay and ensure that it represents the best version of yourself. Get good letters of recommendation. Strong letters of recommendation can provide valuable insights into your character, academic abilities, and potential as a student. Choose teachers, counselors, or other mentors who know you well and can speak positively about your academic achievements, leadership qualities, and contributions to the community. Approach potential recommenders well in advance, providing them with relevant information about yourself, your achievements, and your aspirations. It is also helpful to provide them with specific examples or anecdotes that they can include in their letters. A well-crafted letter of recommendation can add a personal touch to your application and provide the admissions committee with valuable context about your qualifications. Apply for financial aid. Ivy League colleges are known for their high tuition costs and limited financial aid options for international students. However, some institutions offer need-based financial aid or merit-based scholarships to international applicants. Research each college's financial aid policies and deadlines, and submit the necessary financial aid forms along with your application. Be aware that financial aid for international students is highly competitive, and there are limited funds available. It is essential to demonstrate financial need and academic excellence to be considered for aid. Additionally, explore other scholarship opportunities available from private organizations, governmental agencies, or international foundations to supplement your funding options. Be prepared for the interview. While not all Ivy League colleges require interviews, some may offer applicants the opportunity to interview with alumni, admissions officers, or college representatives. If offered an interview, take advantage of this chance to showcase your personality, enthusiasm, and fit for the college. Prepare for the interview by researching the college thoroughly and understanding its unique offerings and values. Practice common interview questions and have compelling answers ready to discuss your academic interests, extracurricular activities, and reasons for applying to that specific institution. Dress professionally and exhibit confidence while maintaining a respectful and polite demeanor. Showcase your extracurricular activities. Ivy League colleges seek students who are not only academically accomplished, but also well-rounded individuals with a diverse set of interests and talents. Engage in extracurricular activities that align with your passions and demonstrate leadership, commitment, and impact. Participate in activities that interest you, whether they involve sports, music, community service, or entrepreneurship. Admissions officers value depth of involvement and long-term commitment to activities that showcase your dedication and contributions to the community. Demonstrate cultural fit and adaptability. As an international student, demonstrating your ability to adapt to a new environment and integrate into the campus community is essential. Ivy League colleges often have a diverse student body, and they value cultural exchange and global perspectives. Highlight experiences that reflect your ability to interact with people from different backgrounds and embrace diverse perspectives. Additionally, research the college's international student support services, cultural organizations, and resources available to help international students acclimate to campus life. Demonstrating your willingness to embrace new challenges and engage with the college community will enhance your appeal as an international applicant. Be realistic and apply strategically. While it is essential to dream big and aim high, it is also crucial to be realistic about your chances of acceptance to Ivy League colleges. The admissions process is highly competitive, and even exceptionally qualified candidates may face rejection due to limited spots available. Diversify your college list by applying to a mix of reach, match, and safety schools. Reach schools are those with highly selective admissions. Match schools are those where your academic profile aligns well with the admitted student's average, and safety schools are those where your academic credentials exceed the average admitted student's profile. This strategic approach will maximize your chances of receiving acceptance letters from a range of colleges. Applying to Ivy League colleges as an international student requires dedication, preparation, and a genuine passion for academic excellence. Start the process early, conduct thorough research, and present yourself in the most compelling and authentic manner possible. Demonstrate your academic prowess, extracurricular achievements, and personal attributes through well-written essays, strong letters of recommendation, and outstanding test scores. Seek support from high school counselors, teachers, and college admissions advisors who can guide you through the complexities of the application process. Be mindful of financial aid options and deadlines, and apply for scholarships that can help alleviate the cost of attending an Ivy League college. Remember that the admissions process is holistic, and each Ivy League college seeks students who not only excel academically, but also contribute positively to the campus community. Showcase your unique qualities, global perspective, and willingness to make a difference, as these attributes can set you apart from other applicants. While the path to acceptance may be challenging, your commitment, resilience, and determination can lead you to success. Regardless of the outcome, embrace the application process as an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Your passion for learning and your pursuit of excellence will undoubtedly open doors to new opportunities, regardless of the college you attend. Best of luck on your journey to higher education. For international students aspiring to attend top colleges, the Ivy Institute offers a remarkable opportunity to enhance their chances of acceptance. With its visionary methodologies, cutting-edge strategies, extensive research, and holistic approach, the Ivy Institute sets a new standard in college admissions consulting. Joining the Ivy Institute promises a transformative journey that will pave the way for a successful future. We understand that your dreams of studying at a prestigious college are attainable, and we are here to guide you every step of the way, turning those dreams into reality.